Hey, in this GFMS 3 tutorial, I'll cover the rest of the user information tabs in detail so you can get the most out of your software. I can access these tabs when I create a new user or if I edit an existing user. Simply navigate to the user you want by clicking Users, Edit, or searching GFMS, then clicking Edit. In the previous tutorial, I covered user information and PIN and password. Remember that class determines the user permission in GFMS. Only if a user is a subadmin or an admin will they require a password. A time zone can be programmed to specify when and for how long a SAM's user PIN is active, meaning that user can only access their assets during that time frame. Time zone override is the default setting, meaning that there is no specified time frame. To assign a personal time zone, uncheck the override box and fill in the time in hours, minutes, and seconds in a 24-hour time format. You can also assign a GFMS time zone, a kind of collective time zone, which can be created ahead of time for recurring events such as work shifts or maintenance schedules, and so on. For ease of setting time restrictions, create a GFMS time zone. Lastly, all the information you've input for a time zone will be saved for the future, even if you decide to take away the restrictions by clicking Time Zone Override. As always, submit to save. Schedule allows admins to specify a time frame in which a user's PIN is active or inactive over a larger period of time. Let's say an employee goes on vacation. You can deactivate them until they return. Or, if you have a temporary employee, you can activate them for a set period of time until they are no longer at the facility, for example, 3 months. You can even get more specific by assigning the temporary employee a time zone. If your facility has card access, this is where you can assign card information to users. Simply enter the mask bits for the unique card number and the mask bits for the site code ID and click Save. This is the tab where you'll also be able to see if a biometric is enrolled for the user. In Software Privileges, I can assign admins and subadmins additional access within GFMS by checking applicable boxes. If the user is a panel user, this message will show up, letting you know that the user cannot log into GFMS. If I navigate to Hunter, who is the subadmin, I'll be able to assign privileges. The descriptions are below, but Tutorial 4.1c covers the privileges in detail. Lastly, I can make additional notes about the user or upload a profile picture if I want. As always, click Submit to save any changes. Thanks for watching. If you have any more questions or comments, email us at learn@uniqueaccess.ca or watch our other videos.